Now take a look at your notes. Moments are defined every time we make a decision, and our decision to define the moment is what gives power to the moment. I want you to get that. That's what first chapter in the book is all about. Moments are defined. Every time I make a decision, I'm defining a moment. Here's what this means. Here's what I'm going to do so that the moment doesn't define me. Not, look what happened, and now I can't do anything. Or I'm a victim of what somebody else did. Or that's unfair. And that's a real life deal that happens every day to some of us, that we allow what somebody else does to define not only the moment, but the day, the week, the month, and our attitude. You got to make the moment, not make the moment make you.